Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Schulman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon focused on trauma and acute injuries here at Inova. I specialize in orthopedic trauma, which is really injuries of acute fractures and dislocations, but in some ways you could say I really specialize in the worst day of someone's life. These involve major car accidents, industrial accidents at their job, major sporting accidents. So these can involve a wide variety of things, but the common denominator is that nobody planned to meet me, and I'm here to help put them back together. Like many of my colleagues, I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon who can perform many elective surgeries. But what I chose to focus my career on was obtaining extra training at the Shock Trauma Center in Baltimore at the University of Maryland, where it's almost unbelievable the types and volume and severity of injuries that come in. So what I took away from that was a skill set where nothing that comes through the door at Inova Fairfax will be too complicated, too complex, or surprising. So one of the things that I think is incredibly important for all of our surrounding community to appreciate is the resources we have here at Inova Fairfax. We have an orthopedic trauma team with 6 surgeons on it. That is almost unheard of, having a group that large in the country. One of the other rewarding aspects of being at Inova Fairfax is the degree that we are a teaching facility. Georgetown University and Walter Reed Military Hospital both send their residents to us for their training in orthopedic trauma. I have found that to be incredibly gratifying for my entire career, knowing that not only am I taking care of a patient now, but I am also helping to train the next generation. One of the most rewarding things I take away from being an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in complex trauma care is that there are so many variables, so many wild cards for the patient, for their family. But I know that what they're going to look like in 3 months or 6 months or a year when they walk out of my office and there's a smile and a hug because they're going back to their life. My name is Dr. Jeff Schulman, and I would be privileged to be involved in your care.